As a beginner, it can be daunting to know where to start when learning Chinese. In this video, I'm going to share with you the 3 most essential sentence structures you need to know when learning any language. They are I have, I want to, I need to. These structures are fundamental building blocks that will allow you to express yourself effectively and accurately in a variety of contexts. Let's get started. The first sentence structure we'll cover is I have. 我有. 我有. This structure is crucial for expressing possession or ownership of an object in Chinese. For example, if people are curious about how many siblings you have, you can say 我有一个哥哥和一个妹妹. 我有一个哥哥和一个妹妹. That means I have an older brother and a younger sister. Or 我有一只狗. 我有一只狗. That means I have a dog. Or if you want to say I have a meeting tomorrow, then you can say 我明天有一个会. 我明天有一个会. One more example for you. When you are going to a market in China and you want to negotiate with the merchandise, you can say 我只有20块钱. 我只有20块钱. That is, I only have 20 bucks. 我只有20块钱. By learning this structure, you'll be able to talk about the things you own and describe them to others. The second structure we'll cover is I want to. 我想. 我想. This structure is important to express desire or intention to do something in Chinese. For example, if you want to say, I want to go to Shanghai, you can say, 我想去上海. 我想去上海. Or, I want to eat dumplings. 我想吃饺子. 我想吃饺子. Or if you love drinking coffee and you want to have a coffee, then you can say 我想喝咖啡. 我想喝咖啡. By mastering this structure, you will be able to communicate your wants or needs with others effectively. The third structure we'll cover is I need to. 我需要. 我需要. Or I have to. 我得. 我得. This structure is essential for expressing a need or requirement to do something in Chinese. For example, I need to study Chinese would be 我需要学中文. 我需要学中文. Or you need a new dress for an event or party. You can say 我需要一条新裙子. 我需要一条新裙子. And examples for I have to, 我得. 我得. If you want to say I have to make a phone call, you can say 我得打一个电话. 我得打一个电话. Or if you want to say I have to go home, you can say 我得回家了. 我得回家了. Give you one more example. If you're starving and you want to say I have to go get lunch, you can say 我饿死了. 我得去吃午饭了. 我饿死了. 我得去吃午饭了. By understanding this structure, you'll be able to talk about your needs and responsibilities to others. Congratulations! You've made it to the end of this video. By learning these basic but essential sentence structures, I have, I want to, I need to, I have to, you'll be able to build a strong foundation in the Chinese language. Don't forget to practice speaking and listening to reinforce what you have learned. Thanks for learning with me today. I'll see you in the next video.